Okay, this is my second one, but this is my other video that I'm gonna record about something about. Come here, come here. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, tell me there's another one. So tell me, what do you think? Oh, whatever you do, don't get mad, David, but I think somebody hooked us up with DOGs. Come here, little one. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Hey. I love little doggies. They're so cute. I'm falling in love with little puppies. You fell, just fell. Look at the little puppy. You so wish you could just pet him. He's so nice. It's a boy and a girl. This one's a girl. I don't know. Oh, this one's a boy. See, this one's a John. I think you're so cute. Oh, he's brother and sister. Oh, they're so cute. This one's John. They're so cute. And there's it's a boy and a girl. They're boys and a girl. So tell me, do you love dogs? I love little puppies. I'm so happy. They came out from little Snoop. Damn, Snoop, I miss you. So tell me, do you love dogs? Look at their playing. You know, because you're so happy. Oh, you're so cute. They're so adorable. I saw them. Hey, don't play. And somehow I kind of saw them when I got in trouble. Look at you biting at me because you know I'm friendly. And look at this one too. Hi, just a cute little puppy. You're good. Tell me, do I sound gay or nothing because of these pups? Because I got little puppies? They're so adorable. So tell me, I love dogs. Hey, David. Check out my video about dogs, dude. Somebody hooked me up with dogs. I guess because that never mess with somebody, because then you end up getting pregnant with dogs. This is what I get for messing around with a girl and she came out to be a dog. The neighbor became a dog. My little... Don't tell me I got born with dogs. You're good. I love puppies. So tell me, David, text me, and I love YouTube a lot. Tell me if you love dogs or not. So tell me, I'm gonna post this on the internet. Tell me if I love doggies. Alright, later. I love dogs. Bye. Bye, neighbor. Bye. Bye.